Adaptive cruise control makes journeys safe and comfortable. Using radar sensors, your Škoda tracks the speed of the vehicle ahead and maintains distance automatically. If a slower vehicle appears in your lane, the car adjusts its speed without you having to apply the brake. Then it automatically goes back to your set speed without you having to accelerate. To activate adaptive cruise control, pull the lever to the on position. The system will be set to your current speed. By moving the lever up or down, you can increase or decrease the set speed in 10 km/h increments. Once set, you can also decrease the speed in increments of 1 km/h by pressing and holding the set button when driving. You can adjust the distance to the vehicle ahead of you with the rocker switch on top of the lever. To cancel ACC temporarily, just press the lever halfway and resume it with pulling back the lever. To deactivate ACC completely, simply push the lever all the way back. We wish you safe travels with the adaptive cruise control, and we hope you're enjoying your new Škoda.
Škoda. Simply clever.